Hello, Chef Pierre. So I find myself in one of the kitchens and I thought I'd share my meal with you. This time of the year in the United States, deer are overpopulated, as you know. They're everywhere. It's awesome deer tenderloin. Wow. It's been lightly salted and peppered. Got some black pepper and some blend on here. Got a little bit of onions and garlic. And I'm going to toss the recipe together. Okay, I got a very hot frying pan here with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Here we go, venison tenderloin. Wow! I'm going to put the big one in first. Let it cook a little bit. I'm going to put the small one in right next to it. Let it cook a little bit. Okay, a few minutes later, as usual, we're going to turn this once, just like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Once you turn it, that's the point where you're going to let it continue to cook a little bit. And we're going to add the garlic and onions. Okay, this tenderloin's looking really good. And I'm going to let it continue to cook. At this point, I'm going to flambe it. And today I'm using what do we got here? Port. Look at that. A little bit of port on here. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, I prefer to use natural thickeners whenever I can. So in this case, this meat's looking really good. This one is about medium rare. Flip it over one more time, let all that flavor and moisture get in there. This one's kind of on the rare side, but that's okay too. At this point, I'm going to remove the meat. It's still cooking. Okay. I'm going to taste my sauce, adjust the seasonings. Oh yeah, that's good. Pink sea salt, yeah. Woo! Okay, so if you got the herbs, you might as well use them, and I happen to have a little bit of fresh rosemary here. Touch of rosemary. Okay, and I like natural thickeners. It's reducing right now, it looks good. Here's a little bit of arrowroot to thicken it up the rest of the way. It looks good. And if it gets too thick, a little bit of water. Okay? Oh, that's a nice looking sauce. Yeah. Okay, the finished venison tenderloin. I sliced it, add a little bit of that wonderful sauce. Got a little bit of golden potatoes stuffed with brie cheese over here. Steamed broccoli and carrots. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And the sponsor has wild game recipes, venison recipes, tenderloin recipes, all kinds of great chef-tested recipes at the sponsor. Check it out. Don't forget to share. Have a great day.